Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is crinkle cookies. Pretty easy to make and they make about six dozen cookies. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So for the dry ingredients in a bowl, this is 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of black pepper ground, yes, you heard me, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, about a generous pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of Nescafe granules, coffee granules. We're just gonna mix this and we're gonna set this to side while we make the wet ingredients. This is 1/3 cup firmly packed dark brown sugar with a half cup of vegetable oil. We're just gonna mix it. And then mix in 1 egg, 1 tub of yogurt, about 100 grams, or you can substitute it with 1/4 cup of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're gonna mix it again. We're gonna mix in our dry ingredients until completely combined, and we're gonna chill it 3 to 4 hours in the fridge, but it is -36 outside Celsius, -36 Celsius outside without the wind chill, so it's about -40-ish here in northern BC, Canada. We're gonna put it outside, we're gonna chill it outside for, well, 3 to 4 hours in the fridge, maybe half hour outside. So you want it firm, you want the dough to be firmed up before we continue the process of making the cookies. Now that it's mixed, we're gonna wrap it with our cling wrap. And again, if it's in the fridge, you can chill it to 3 to 4 hours. You have to chill it to 3 to 4 hours until it's firm, but it's -36 Celsius outside at the moment without the wind chill, so it's about -40-ish, and we're gonna chill it outside for 30 to 45 minutes. We have extreme cold weather for these 3 coming days. Tuesday will be so cold, -39 Celsius without the wind chill, but today's -36. Now that the dough is firm, there's even still some snow, we're gonna roll it into balls, shape it into balls, and then roll it into powdered sugar, and we're gonna place them directly onto ungreased baking pan. So just scoop it, roll it, and then drop it and roll it again. And you want the dough, the balls, to be coated generously in the powdered sugar. The size is up to you, 1 teaspoon or with ice cream scooper, so it's up to you. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Now move cookies slowly onto cooling racks. So again, this is using 1 teaspoon measurement. You can shape bigger cookies, it's up to you. It depending on your oven, it's 8 to 10 minutes, but some oven will go until 12 minutes. What you want is a firm top but not overbaked. This recipe makes 72 cookies, about 6 dozen.